Should you say hey there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey there, everyone.
Hey, so we're getting ready to head out on the Foothills Trail with our new friend Oso over at Oso Hikes on YouTube. And today we just want to talk about all the food that we're going to be taking. So this is it. And we're headed out for 6 to 7 days. We're packing for 7, but hoping for 6. Give us a second when we get everything sorted. Ah, that looks better.
For breakfast, we decided to go with some coffee, some peanut butter filled Cliff Bars, cream of wheat, and some vanilla chai tea latte mix. For lunch, we decided to go with some peanut butter chocolate banana burritos, tuna and tortillas, crackers and peanut butter, and meat, cheese, and crackers. Dinner, we decided to do potato burritos with meat and cheese, Southwest rice burritos with meat sticks, and some mac and cheese. Our second set of dinner was potato soup with some Hawaiian rolls, and then just plain old ramen. We brought a lot of snacks for this trip. We had peach rings mixed with some licorice bites, some snap pea crisps, apple chips, fruit snacks, some cashews, peanut butter banana bites, banana chips, almonds, Snickers, and some Nature Valley dark chocolate wafer bars. We packed all this food into 2 Light AF food bags, and Jolene carries all her daily snacks in a Light AF fanny pack. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you out there on the trail.